The ability to believe in yourself can change your life. Just think, what difference would it make in your life if you had an absolutely unshakable confidence in your ability to achieve anything you really put your mind to? What would you want and wish and hope for? What would you dare to dream if you believed in yourself with such deep conviction that you had no fears of failure whatsoever? How to believe in yourself. Most people start off with little or low self-confidence, but as a result of their own efforts, they become bold and brave and outgoing. And we've discovered that if you do the same things that other self-confident men and women do, you too will experience the same feelings and get the same results. The key is to be true to yourself, to be true to the very best that is in you, and to live your life consistent with your highest values and aspirations. This is the only way to truly learn how to believe in yourself. Take some time to think about who you are and what you believe in and what is important to you. If you want to change your life by becoming an author, believe that you can do it. The hardest step in that journey is finding the confidence to learn how to write a book. Once you get a hold of a proven system to plan, produce, and publish your work, the larger goal becomes easier to attain. By believing in yourself, you will find the courage to take immediate action on your goals. And this, as you may know, is the key to success. I encourage you to never compromise your integrity by trying to be or say or feel something that is not true for you. And, more importantly, never compromise your potential to grow due to self-limiting doubts. Instead, embrace your confidence and believe in yourself because you really can do anything you put your mind to. Tell yourself you have confidence and believe it. Repeat affirmations such as, I believe in myself every day. Your thoughts become words and your words become your actions. If you continue to tell yourself that you believe in yourself, eventually you really will believe in yourself. It's that simple. Have the courage to accept yourself as you really are, not as you might be or as someone else thinks you should be, and know that, taking everything into consideration, you are a pretty good person. After all, we all have our own talents, skills, and abilities that make us extraordinary.